If everybody is ready, let's begin the semifinal. In 3, 2, 1, go!
Welcome to match number 13. Whoever wins this will be the finalist here at the Michiana premiere event Croft division. All four robots flying around the field. 19652 Techineers firing from close and doing gate management for blue, keeping their scores up high. Leviathan Robotics loaded up for blue as well, shooting from far. One artifact going up, but going a bit long. 5 seconds left now in the autonomous period. Red Alliance trying to close it back up as blue holds a lead. As we get into the final seconds and autonomous ends.
Drivers, pick up your controllers. Three, two, one.
Blue Alliance taking a 13-point lead coming out of the autonomous period. So Blue now trying to cement it with a double fire off both their alliance partners. Blue coming back to a full close strategy. Techineers on gate management, but the Galactic Chickens with an artifact steal. They snatch away artifacts that otherwise are coming out of that Blue Alliance goal. Blue, though, retaining a lead for now of about 10 points. Red Alliance number 2, root -1 with the white and gold, launching artifacts into the goal, trying to close it up. Galactic Chickens trying to do the same, but Blue staying out ahead for now. Galactic Chickens playing the far field. They're able to collect artifacts, but Techineers are kind of keeping things down. There's not a ton of artifacts there to fuel them. They keep on flying around the field. Galactic Chickens finding artifacts, but not able to get the super fast cycles. They are signature 4. Blue Alliance now holding a lead, but Red takes it back. They've closed up the auto gap and take back a lead of their own. Root -1 loading up at the gate, sending artifacts free into the field, which Leviathans will take advantage of to load. 1, 2, 3 from Leviathans. 1, 2, 3 from Techineers. With 50 seconds left to go, Red now out in the lead by about 30 points. 45 seconds left to go. These Alliance still churning as fast as they can. Leviathans taking the scraps left over from falling out of the Red Alliance ramp. Techineers flying around, picking up scraps that otherwise Galactic Chickens would use, slowing it down their supply cycles. Techineers loading up, but now here comes the spill that Galactic Chickens are going to swipe up. Techineers seem focused on trying to prevent Galactic Chickens from getting those artifacts as we enter the end game. 20-point differential to these alliances. All the artifacts still churning away. 15 seconds to go now. Red Alliance with about a 30-point lead. This could do them well, setting them off to the finals. But Blue trying to close it back up. We're within 15 points. 5 seconds left to go. Red Alliance coming back in. Final shots up for Blue as we line up and time expires. We have a final score in for match number 13. This determines who moves on. By 19 points, it goes to the red number 2.